Hello and welcome back to The Angry Cook. I just thought I'd do a little update, Sunday update, since I'm doing nothing else. Um, we have been busy the past few days. Have you seen my stills that I posted? Coming up, I think coming up Wednesday, if I'm right, are shortbread cookies. Let me tell you, 3 ingredients, a little bit of time, a little bit of kneading, and serve it with our eggnog that we made the other day. This is the last of the first batch. The second batch is ready to be tapped. So a little shortbread and the old dog sit you right up, let me tell you. Then we have coming up probably Saturday, I guess, unless something else comes into me, is our cranberry raisin, cinnamon bread. No need. And we put that, and I've been making a little different ghee. We have the standard stuff, and then we let it brown a little bit. And this is just like putting like a nut paste on your bread. It is nice and warm. Well, it's warm if you warm it up. And it melts just like nothing when you put it on a warm piece of toast. And nutty and just awesome with vegetables and all kinds of stuff. I love it. That's an accident, by the way. I had two sticks of butter left from the shortbread, and I was just going to make some more regular ghee, put it in, and my attention got drawn away from the pot, and it was on a little too long, and it got that way, and it's delicious. Delicious. What else are we doing? We have our sauerkraut from 4 weeks ago, I believe, made on the 17th of November, and I tried it on Monday, or Tuesday, I guess it was, and it was good. It's got the right flavor, just not enough tang to it, so I think it's going to be ready on Monday. This is the guy that I added a little starter from my first batch of sauerkraut. I just put a little, I don't know, a quarter of a cup or something of the liquid that was in it, and it really took off. So 4 weeks as opposed to 6 for the other batch, which was awesome. And this is a green container. In the beef birria taco consomme, which just came out yesterday, we had extra cabbage left over because I only needed like half a cup, and I got the smallest head I could, and so I decided I'm going to make cabbage or sauerkraut. Who doesn't have enough sauerkraut? I know I don't. So we have that. Let's see how that goes. And that's from the 9th. What's today? 12th or something, or 13th? 13th. So that's only 4 days old. But we've been tooling right along. This stuff. We're having a little bit of problem with the decals. So they're still not for sale yet until we figure out ways to fix that. I'm not going to sell you something that's only going to last you a month or 2 or 3 or whatever until it falls apart. T-shirt itself is great, and we're going to fix this. So soon, I hope. Brody Man is going to be ending his stay with us next weekend. Brody Man is going home to be with his daddy and mommy, and hopefully Grayson, their son, will be home with them soon. For those of you who don't know about Grayson, it's a family thing, and I'm not gonna waste my time here. But he's having some problems. He was born the end of May, and he's been home a week and a half since in that entire time, and we're hoping for him. We're pulling for him. He's a really brave little dude, and Brode's missing him. Brode, in a short week and a half, he got to meet him and attached to him. He was really attached to him. And Grayson right now has his own little stuffed Brody holding court over him in his hospital bed. So Brody's going to be going home soon, and we're going to miss him. He's a gigantic pain in the ass, but I'm telling you, I love him just as much as I love my own jade monster. What else? Cooking ham today over there, and we love ham. We love ham. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing, for lunch, I'm going to be doing a stromboli with some of the fresh ham in it. Or that's not fresh ham, but, some of the ham we cooked today and some Italian hard salami and some prosciutto. I love prosciutto. Mozzarella, etc. So you've got to try a new way. We're not going to roll it. We're going to fold it instead. See how that works out for us. But in the land of the angry cook, all is well. We'll be doing a Christmas Eve. We'll be doing a Christmas Eve cinnamon roll, which I'm hoping to post for Saturday. Christmas day, Boxing Day, day after Christmas. To give you something, or I can't do it Wednesday because I want things fresh and out of the oven. So we'll do it Saturday, and they look pretty damn good. And it's also a no-knead recipe. So, and it's a quick recipe, only like 3 hours from start to finish to cook them. So it'll be interesting. Do it for New Year's. That's about it. I'm making, if you look at my personal page, I'm making some new lighting out of a Giant Foods. I finally found something in Giant that I like. Insulated bag, which I got for $2, and cut it down to seams. Now I'm making, well, you can't see that, it's about that big, but it's about that wide. And it's going to be lit by cool white LEDs that I got from Amazon for $12 or $13. And just clamp them onto a pole so I have some good light, or some better light anyway. And I've got, when I tore it apart, it gave me 2 separate sections, so I'm going to be making 2 of those, and then I can roll them up loosely and carry them with me when I go to guest kitchens. Next month, we're hoping COVID gets out of my freaking way. We're hoping to go to another guest kitchen in Maryland, and we're going to make a full Japanese dinner, ramen dinner, about as proper. I don't think you can get one without going to a major city like New York or San Francisco or Los Angeles. But I'm going to make it as close as I can get it with the ingredients I can get, and I can get a lot of it through Amazon or eBay. It's going to be a little expensive, but I hope to have some guests in on that. So we'll be doing hopefully a Japanese ramen dinner, which is I'm looking forward to it, because one thing I've learned in all this waiting time in the past months is I've been watching a lot of Japanese cooking on YouTube, and between Wagyu beef, which I can't get, I can get it, but I can't afford it, and ramen, I'm about going Jones, and I want some sushi too, and I want it now. This is a small operation. I mean, I'm not exactly screaming with the subscribers, and I'm not like the other guys who have practice kitchens and other people working with them, and they do things 3 to 4 times till they get it right. Most of the time, I do it one time, and you're seeing the one time I'm doing it, and that's because I don't have the resources, I don't have the money, I don't have the kitchen or the kitchens to do all that fancy stuff that they do. I'm not Alton Brown or Bobby Flay or any of the other guys. So we go on and we do what we can do. And there's things that I make, and I made a lot of things that I continue to make, like the spaghetti sauce and pizza and stromboli, and some of the chicken dishes and sauerkraut and eggnog, the breads. I'm going to make another cheese and herb bread soon to supplement, because I'm out of that. I'm going to make another Mediterranean olive bread. So I have some more with my brie, which was awesome. Thank you, Rosie, for introducing me to it. Um, so it's rare that I do cook something one time, uh, but you see it usually the first time. And as I refine it, and I've done it with the pizza crust, and may do it with the stromboli. As I refine it, you see the refining factors in specials like this. So anyway, I just thought I'd catch up on some of the things that are happening in the kitchen, and that you'll be seeing over the next couple of weeks. And that's it, I guess. We'll see you Wednesday. We'll see you Wednesday for, I think, shortbread, and then Saturday for the raisin cinnamon bread. So until then, from the Angry Cook, hasta la vista.